Roberto Santiváñez from Santiváñez Abogados. Our firm started back in 1964 as a family firm, general practice, and stayed like that for about 40 years until 2005, when I decided to join in. And the reason was because I was dissatisfied in my at that time place of work, which was Peru's largest law firm. I had been there for over a decade, except for a couple of years that I invested earning a master's at Stanford Law School, and also working as a foreign attorney in the Latin America practice group of Mayer Brown in New York. And I had this idea that had been developing in my mind about a new way to organize practice groups and law firms, and I had been advocating within my firm to make those changes. And I guess they didn't feel that they are something that worked just fine, didn't need any fixing. The concept is related to network industries. Network industries are those industries that have fixed network required to deliver services such as power, water, telecom, natural gas, transportation, etc. And they all share the same economic features, market failures, and challenges. And during the 90s, as you probably know, there was a big wave of deregulating these industries. And the way it was, they were all deregulated, followed the same patterns and rules. And therefore, the same challenges that regulation and transactional structure had to face in one particular of these industries, let's say the power industry, will be applicable to another one of those. And therefore, that would also, I thought that that would also challenge the efficiency of the conventional way that law firms organize their groups by sectors and practices. This is having a separate, fully independent, practically feudal power group, different to the oil and gas group, different from the telecom, and so on. So I had this concept that if you organize a practice as a network industry group rather than a sector or industry group, will be a lot stronger, a lot more efficient, and more successful, obviously, than those conventional ones. And so that's when I moved on. I spoke to my family to open up a branch in Lima of the family firm. We opened it in 2005. And very soon after, we were already double, triple the size of the office. And we were already being acknowledged among the leading law firms in Peru. Actually, by 2012 is officially that we made the Latin Lawyer 250 top 20 firms in Peru. And and well, we are also since before being recognized as the leading law firm in energy, like Chambers, Latin America, and all the publications basically. In addition to our network industries group, which is the main group of the firm, we're a full service firm. We have a corporate practice, labor, tax, and competition and antitrust, litigation and dispute resolution, several of which are also acknowledged as leading practices in the country. We also have the best training program for law students. Certified by the rankings from the leading law school in the country as the best place to the practice. I guess we do something right on that line too. And our clients are mainly utilities, as you might imagine, power generation, distribution, gas distribution, but also investment funds. Transnational investment funds, sovereign funds, pension funds. We work with industrial conglomerates, in transnational or multilatin conglomerates too. Government, we are very active advising state-owned companies, governmental entities like regulator or investment promotion agencies, and ministries as well. We are a very horizontal firm, and we're very happy to have a very good environment, working environment. Actually, that was just recently, like 2 or 3 years ago, we went to a second phase of a second stage of rethinking our organization to be more focused on the climate and within the office. And I guess we've been quite successful. Part of that is the recognition as being a best place to work or to have practices for students. Um, well, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the conference. I'm sure we will do so. Take care.